Good morning and Jai Hind children. Welcome you all in GK online class. Today we are going to do our page number 68 and page number 69. So everyone get ready with your book and pencil in your hand. Take out your book, page number 68 and page number 69. This is your page number 68. Take out your page number 68, Science and Technology. Write true if the statement is true and false for if the statement is false. Okay. Now, see the first question. Sun is the natural satellite of our planet Earth. So, the statement is false. Sun is not a natural satellite of our planet Earth, whereas our Earth and all the eight planets of solar system, they revolve around the sun. Okay, so sun is in the center, and the earth as well as the eight planets in our solar system, they take round of a sun, they revolve around the sun. And which planet is the natural satellite of our earth? Moon. Moon is the natural satellite of earth. So this statement is false, so you will write false. Now move on to the second question. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is called the Missile Man of India. Yes, this statement is true. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was one of the former president of our country, he is known as Missile Man of India. Now this Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he has given a lot to Indian Space Agency, okay, ISRO, and he was known as the Missile Man of India. He has given many missiles in India. Okay, so he was a great scientist and he is known as Missile Man of India. This is a picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born in Rameshwaram and he served as Indian scientist as well as Indian former president. Now see the third question. The Space Research Agency in India is called ISRO. This statement is true. Okay. So स्पेस रिसर्च एजेंसी जो एजेंसी है इंडिया में जो पूरे स्पेस के ऊपर रिसर्च करती है उसका नाम इसरो है. Yes, Indian Space Research Organization. This is the full form of ISRO. What is the full form of ISRO? Indian Space Research Organization. So this statement is true. Now, see the fourth question. Yuri Gagarin was the first man to set foot on moon. This statement is false. Who was the first man to set foot on moon? Aryabhat. Okay, so Aryabhat was the first man who went on who was the first to went on moon. He set his foot first on the moon. So what was the name of the first man who went to the moon first? He was Aryabhat. He was not Yuri Gagarin. Okay, so this statement is false. Now, see the fifth question. A blood moon was seen during the total lunar eclipse on 27 July 2018. So that day when on 27 July 2018 there was a lunar eclipse, total lunar eclipse, and the color of the moon that day which we have seen was a blood moon. That means a very red color moon appeared on that day. On which day? On 27 July 2018. This was the day when total complete lunar eclipse has taken place. So this statement is true. Now this completes your page number 68. Now move on to page number 69. Here we are going to study about the sports. Okay. Now the first question what you have to do in it is you have to unscramble the letters to name the sport. Now these are the letters which are unscrambled, means not arranged properly. So you have to arrange it properly and you have to make a sensible word. Indian sports person Sakshi Malik is associated with this sport. So Sakshi Malik is associated with which sport? She is associated with wrestling. This is the picture of Sakshi Malik. And she is associated with which sport? She is associated with wrestling. Now, see the second question. Roger Federer won the Australian Open men's single title in 2018 in this game. So, in which game Roger Federer won the Australian Open men's single title? Roger Federer. He is one of the Australian player or Australian sports person. And what does he play? Now you have to arrange these letters to form a complete meaning. When you will arrange it, you will come up with a word called lawn tennis. So lawn tennis, this Roger Federer, he used to play lawn tennis and he won the Australian Open men's single title. Okay, now children, let's see the third question. In the third question, you will see the question given to you is Mithali Raj leads the Indian women's team in this sport. So Mithali Raj, she leads Indian women's team in which sport? She is the captain of Indian cricket team. Okay, but she leads the women's team. Men's team is led by Virat Kohli. He is the captain of Indian cricket team. And women's team in cricket is led by Mithali Raj. She is India's cricket team captain. Okay. Now, now children. Now again, I am going to show you the page. So, Mithali Raj, she leads the Indian women's team in sport for cricket. Now, Pulela Gopichand is India's chief national coach for this sport. So, Pulela Gopichand is a chief national coach for which sport? He is, now this is a picture of Pulela Gopichand. He is the chief national coach for badminton. Okay. Now, France won the FIFA 2018 title organized once in a 4 years in this sport. So, France has won the FIFA 2018 title for football. Okay, for football, France has won the FIFA 2018 title that is organized once in 4 years. और 4 साल में एक बार FIFA World Cup होता है. And France has won this title in year 2018. 2018 में FIFA World Cup किसने जीता था? France ने जीता था. And for which game this FIFA is organized? It is organized for football. Football के लिए ये title जो है FIFA title जो है दिया जाता है. Okay. So children, this completes your both the pages. Now children, what I am going to show is I am going to show you the solar system. Okay, we will see the solar system and we will learn the name of the 8 planets that are there in the solar system. Right now, I am going to show you. Now, children, this is there on the screen. You can see it on the screen, right? Okay, so you can see on your screen. Now, this is the sun which is in the center of the solar system. Mercury is the first planet. After Mercury comes Venus. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Mars, which is also known as red planet. Jupiter, it is the largest planet of the solar system. Saturn has rings around it. Okay. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th planet from the solar system. Then comes the Uranus. It is the 7th planet from the solar system. After that came the Neptune. Okay. And then the Pluto is regarded as a dwarf planet. It is no more in our solar system. It is one of the dwarf planets. Okay. So Pluto is regarded as dwarf planet. Dwarf planet means it's not a part of our solar system now. So children, how many planets are there in our solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system and they take a complete revolution around sun. और वो सब किसके चारों तरफ घूमते हैं? Sun के चारों तरफ घूमते हैं. These all planets, they all rotate around the sun. They take a complete revolution around the sun. सब sun के चारों तरफ जो है घूमते हैं. Now this is Earth. It is the third planet from the sun. And which is the natural satellite of Earth? Moon. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Now children, let's learn the name of the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Once again, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now, children, how many planets are there in our solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, how many planets are there in our solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system, and they take round of which celestial body? They take complete revolution of sun. Now, Earth is known as blue planet. Here you can see it is blue in color. Why it is known as blue planet? Because it is having abundance of water. इसमें बहुत सारा पानी है. That is why it is known as blue planet. And this is the only planet where life exists. जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं. और किसी planets में sign of life is not still seen. But Earth is the only planet where life exists. Then Mars, you can see it is red color planet and it is also known as red planet. Okay. Jupiter is the biggest planet. So if your question is being asked which is the biggest planet of the solar system, so what you will answer? Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet of the solar system. Now which planet has rings? Saturn is having rings. Which is the hottest planet? Venus is the hottest planet, though Mercury is closest to the sun, but Venus is the hottest of all. Okay. So children, these are the name of different planets that revolve around the sun. Now children, I hope you all have learned the name of different planets. Okay. You all have learned the name of different planets. So this is the sun. Then comes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Pluto was once a part of the solar system, but now it is no more part of solar system. Now it is considered as dwarf planet. Okay. Now children, I am going to show you, this is a photo of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay. You can see it on the screen. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was the 11th president of India. Okay. So he was the 11th president of India and he dies at 83 years. Okay. He was born on 15th of October 1931 and he died on 27th of July 2015. Okay. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the missile man of India. He was the 11th president of India who dies at the age of 83 years. Okay. So children, you all have seen on the screen, this is a picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the 11th president of India and he dies at the age of 83. So children, this completes both the pages that was left in your course. Now your pages are being completed. Now children, we will do the revision of GK. Okay. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed today's class and learned a lot. Now children, what you have to do? You have to learn the name of planets of the solar system. Okay. So we will meet again in our next class. Till then, goodbye and take care.